False accusations can shake lives, but knowing what to do, legally and calmly, can make all the difference. Let's understand the right steps if someone faces a false rape accusation in India.
Good morning, Ravi. Please have a seat. You mentioned you or someone you know is facing a very difficult situation.
Yes, ma'am, it's for my friend. He's been falsely accused of rape. We don't know what to do. He's terrified. What should he do?
Ravi, I completely understand how distressing this is. A false accusation under Section 3776 IPC is serious, but there are clear legal steps to follow. The first rule, don't panic. Do not panic, and do not confront the accuser. Any argument can be misused. His first priority should be to protect himself legally. Immediately seek legal counsel. Do not give any statement to the police without a lawyer. An experienced criminal defense lawyer will guide him through each step. Start collecting every piece of evidence: call records, WhatsApp chats, emails, CCTV footage, witness statements. Every little thing is important. If he fears arrest, the lawyer can file for anticipatory bail under Section 430 ARPC. This protects him from immediate arrest and gives time to prepare his defense. Remember these steps. Do not panic. Hire a lawyer. Never talk to police alone. Collect all evidence. File for anticipatory bail and cooperate calmly under legal advice. With the right legal strategy and timely action, he can defend himself effectively. The battle is tough, but winning it is possible.
False accusations can ruin lives, but law protects truth. If you or someone you know needs help, reach out to a verified legal expert. Stay aware, stay strong.